So you're probably wondering how this all works. It's powered by the Arduino, and we've got 2 shift registers, we've got 8 resistors, we've got the Darlington array, and we've got the 8 by 8 LED matrix. So basically what happens is the Arduino is connected with 3 pins to the first shift register, and this shift register is connected to the second shift register. Now this shift register controls the rows, and it sends its outputs via these resistors to the rows. The second shift register sends its outputs to the Darlington array, which controls the columns. So it's easier to think of it like the rows are the positive and the columns are the negative. So imagine that we want to get this particular light to light up. So it's in column 0 and it's row number 3. So you start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So this shift register would need to enable its output number 3, which would light up any of these rows, and then this shift register would have to enable output 0, which would go to the Darlington array, and this one would enable this column to light up. So we've got this row, we've got this column, and it will light up this particular LED. So why exactly do we need this Darlington array? Well, if you think of these 2 shift registers as outputting positive signals, if you're doing positive for the rows, positive for the columns, well, basically nothing's going to happen. You need a ground for the connection to flow through. So that's where the Darlington array kicks in. This shift register enables the outputs of the Darlington array, which is a transistor. So you're enabling output 0, and you've got your column 0 right here, and then you've got your ground. So when you enable output 0, this will connect with the ground, and that will give you the connection you need to enable this column. So you're probably wondering, how do we enable all these lights to light up at the same time without having any problems? The secret to that is by pausing for 2 milliseconds after we light up each column, and that's done by the Darlington array. So we do we light this column up, we light the rows up, then we wait 2 milliseconds. We do the same thing for the next one, and the next one, and the next one. You get the point until the end. And so what I found is that 2 milliseconds seems to be a good enough pause so that the lights light up, give enough illumination, and then we can go on to the next one without having any problems in regards to illumination after the pause. So that's how we light up the LED matrix. Hopefully you've learnt something out of this video. I'm new to making these sort of videos, so hopefully I can continue making them to explain electronics more simply. Myself, I'm new to electronics and just starting to get into it. The Arduino's made everything so much easier. So yeah, hopefully you like this video. Leave me a comment below if I've explained something wrong or there's an easier way to do this. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time.